Hey, it's Anissa, and I've got a great deal you are going to love on this 5-piece Stack Saver mini cookware set. Now, it might be small in stature, but it's big on features. But first, let's talk about the size. Now, who would want a small set like this? Well, turns out a lot of people. The whole office is in a tizzy over these. While it's great for single people like myself, it's also perfect when you want to practice portion control. And it's stackable, so it takes up very little space in any cabinet. Now, mini cookware is all the rage, but few sets offer the quality or features that the Stack Saver does. First, it's coated with ceramic. Now, ceramic is one of the safest surfaces to cook on. The other thing that I love about the Stack Saver set is this is infused with avocado oil, so ceramic naturally doesn't stick. But with the infusion of the avocado oil, you can actually melt cheese on this and it's not going to stick. But what's most important is how well does it work? Well, we made up all kinds of yummy foods using the entire set. To start off with, we used the 6-inch frying pan. Now you can make up 1 or 2 eggs. We made up 2 without any oil, and they just slide right out of the pan. Using the 6-inch square pan, you can make perfect paninis, or as we did, a great grilled cheese sandwich. Now, we used a little bit of butter, mostly for taste. Another benefit of the small size of the pans is they heat up quickly and evenly. And I also love the square pan for making a single burger or some really tasty hot dogs. It even makes grill marks. The smaller pan is perfect for soups, sauces, and gravies, and it even has a glass lid that has a steam vent. Then you've got the 6-inch wok, which is one of my favorites for making up grilled veggies or the perfect portioned stir fry. And you're gonna love that all 4 pans have heat-resistant rubber grip handles. And this can even go in the dishwasher, and all 5 pieces will fit at once. Now, you may not think that a mini cookware set is for you, but I promise this will be the set that you find yourself using all the time. And you're gonna love our super low price. Similar sets like this can sell for $50 or more, and you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. But fair warning, sets like this tend to sell out fast. So head on over to our site right now and grab a set or 2 today.